Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can resize your video on Adobe Express. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to open the Adobe Express. So as you can see, I've already opened it. Now you have to create an account on this. And after that, we have to go to the document section. And after going to the document section, as you can see, and now we have to click on the view all. And after clicking on the view all, as you can see, multiple functions are provided here. Now you have to select that what you want to do. For example, I'm going to click on this option, which is called resize video. So let's click on this. And after clicking on this, we need to select that video. So let's click on the browse, and now we have to select the video. I'm going to select the video. So let's select this one, and now I'm going to click on the open. Now it will take few seconds in uploading our media. It's up to your internet speed. So as you can see, the video is uploaded. Now we have to select the size or the ratio. We can say if you want in this, you have to click on this. If you want this, you have to click on the story reel, portrait, IGTV, and the landscape function is also provided here. If you want to drag this, it's up to you that which side you want to view. And after doing this, as you can see, if you want to mute the video, you can also do that. And if you want to scale the video, you can also do that. It's up to you. So after doing these all things, you have to hit the download button, and after clicking on the download button, the video will be downloaded. Or if you want to open this in editor and you want to do multiple editings in multiple functions on this, you can also do that. In this way, you can resize your video on Adobe Express. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.